Illustrative example number 3. So, para mahanap natin kung ang difference between 2 points is constant, ima-minus natin yung x-coordinate muna. So, i-minus natin yung negative 3 dito sa kay negative 1. Or negative 1 minus negative 3 is positive 2. 1 minus negative 1, that is positive 2. 3 minus 1, 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, pare-parehas yung difference nila. So, constant ang rate of change ng value natin sa x. Pero tingnan natin sa value ng y kung pare-parehas pa rin. So, i-minus natin yung negative 5 ay negative 3. Or negative 3 minus negative 5. So, ang sagot dyan is positive 2. Okay? Next, 1 minus 3. That is positive 4. 9 minus 1. That is 8. And 25 minus 9. That is 16. So, kung mapapansin natin dito sa values ng y natin, hindi pare-parehas or hindi constant yung pag-increase niya. Ibig sabihin, itong function na ito is not linear. Kasi hindi constant yung increase ng y natin. Kahit na pare-parehas yung increase ng x natin, kung hindi constant yung values ng y natin, hindi siya ma-identify na linear function. Okay? So, as x increases by 2, yung y naman natin ay increases by a greater amount each time. So, the rate of change is not constant. So, hindi siya linear function.